How to screen share your mobile screen to a Chromebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can screen share your mobile screen to a Chromebook step by step. It's super easy and works both for Android and iOS device. Now without further ado, let's dive in. So first thing first, install screen mirroring app on your Android phone. And once you have installed that app, simply open it. Now tap on Start Mirroring Cast Screen option. This will generate a unique URL for your session. The URL you will see is mirroring.tv. Now grab your Chromebook and open any browser and type in the URL shown on your phone and simply hit enter. And on the web page, you will see a code or a QR scanner option. Enter the code from your phone into the Chromebook browser or scan the QR code. If you are using the free version, you will need to watch a short ad before connecting. Don't worry, it will only take a few seconds, and once the ad finishes, you will see a message that says connecting. And finally, click Start Now on your phone and your screen will start mirroring onto the Chromebook. There might be a countdown, and after that, everything you do on your phone will be displayed on your Chromebook in real time. And that's it, you have successfully mirrored your mobile screen to your Chromebook. Whether you are presenting, streaming, or just exploring, these methods work like a charm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.